Hi, my name is Adam. I'm Goldbagger's virtual assistant. If you're new to Earth 2, I'm sure you want to know. How can I make money? There are numerous opportunities to generate income from owning land inside Earth 2. As of this very moment, there are 3 key income streams operational, with more to be released as the virtual world and future updates are rolled out. The price of land inside Earth 2 fluctuates from country to country. Each country starts at the very attractive price of 10 cents for 10 mx 10 m of land. The value changes depending on trading price and demand per country, giving you potential opportunities to buy low and sell high. This trading platform is available in operation right now and is a potential way for early buyers to earn big returns on their land purchases. Land income tax is income you receive on the land you own based on future new sales of land in that country. You do not need to do anything special to receive this income. It's automatically credited to your account each time new sales occur in the country of which you own the land. The more land you own, the more income tax your land will receive on future purchases. Tip 1. You can receive higher brackets of land income tax on your land by buying land earlier and getting a better class of land. There are only a limited number of Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3 tiles available per country. For a limited time there will be a promotional referral system which is beneficial for the provider and the purchaser. Every user will have their own unique referral code, which can be found on the settings page after logging into your account. When purchasing land, users will be able to apply a referral code. This referral code will give the purchaser 5% credit back on their purchase and 5% credit to the owner of the referral code. The referral code will remain active automatically on all future purchases unless the purchaser changes it again. Tip 2. You cannot use your own referral code on your own account, so be sure to ask a friend to join so you can exchange referral codes and receive your extra credit. When users find loot, treasure or resources on land that you own, you will automatically be given a portion of the ownership depending on what type of land class you own. When advertisements are delivered on land that you own, you will be given a portion of the revenue generated from those advertisements depending on that class of land you own. Tip 2. Income avenues 4, 5 and 6 make it important to try and own land in key, popular areas around our physical world, as they will likely have a higher chance of traffic and ultimately give a higher return to the landowner. When users build on land that you own, you will receive a portion of the value of those digital assets. So if a user wishes to build a house, game, shopping center and so forth, on land that you own, part of the value of the assets used to build will be given to you in dollar value and credited to your account. Earth 2 has plans to expand on trading of Earth 2 land and the Earth 2 dollar in addition to more income streams, but these are confidential at this stage. Thanks for watching and good luck, guys.